Hey friends, welcome back to the Easy Salsa Recipe channel. Today we're going to make a pineapple avocado salsa with a kick. It's super easy to make. It takes about 15 minutes. Today's style is more of a chop style, so we won't be touching the blender at all. We're just going to be chopping up these ingredients and throwing them into a bowl. So let's get started because I am super hungry and my mouth is watering thinking about it. See you in a bit. First, remove the pineapple crown and then the bottom. Next, cut the pineapple in half and then cut those halves into quarters and remove the core from each quarter. Cut on an angle on each side of the slice, making a wide V shape and remove from the skin. Next, dice the pineapple into small pieces. Use 3 cups of pineapple. Remove the top and bottom of the large red onion and then cut in half. And then dice the half into small pieces and then dump into the mix bowl. Next, cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop into the mix bowl. Mix. So I was taught in the past on how to determine the heat of a jalapeno was by looking at the color of the pepper, meaning is it beginning to turn red, and the amount of tiny white markings shown on our peppers here. So the more markings, the hotter the peppers. Please comment and let me know your preference of heat level. Dice the jalapeños up and then mix into the bowl. Remove the stems from the cilantro and then finely chop. Mix. Now cut the 1 to 2 limes in half. Squeeze the lime juice and mix into the bowl. Salt to taste. So look at that flavor, folks. It looks... stop it. You can't say look at that. Look at that. We're going to use regular, it's a little thicker chip, my kind of style, especially with a thick chunky salsa. That was good. I mean, let's go. To be honest though, they had a good texture, but almost overbearing the flavor. So you might even want to go with this natural blue corn chip. Third chip is, man, you know when I'm coming in with another chip, it's a good salsa. I hope you guys made this recipe with us today and you are trying this right now for yourselves. Man, it is good. But hold on, I gotta see if my wife Sarah wants to come and try it.
Let's see what you got, buddy.
Try it out, babe.
Okay. This is one of my favorites.
Yeah?
Thumbs up.
Nice.
Baby!
It's and so I hope you enjoyed today's episode of our spicy avocado pineapple salsa. It was amazing. If you like these kind of videos, please click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. We post content every Thursday. So stay tuned for next Thursday for the next amazing salsa recipe. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye.